all they really feel is anger or just complete disinterest and detachment. So they're either going to be angry at you, and when they're not around you, when they're not feeling so much anger towards you, when they can just let that go for a moment, and then they're off in some other situation, even then, they're just experiencing detachment, disconnection. They're just not even really there. They're still at a very low consciousness. There's no self-awareness. If there was self-awareness, they would feel very bad about themselves, consciously, not just where it's unconscious,